Then while looking at these streams, one of the thing I realized was that uh, many of the streams, they don't have much fish left, hardly one species or two species. And so uh, while observing the fish, I mean, you can see the uh, which all fishes are surviving in the more polluted places. What I could notice, the hardiest of species are this rasbora. That one with the central stripe, that's rasbora. That one is there in almost all streams, and it can tolerate high degree of pollution. And it's not very fussy about water, it's hardy, and then it serves an important ecological function also, eating up so many things. So I would recommend this rasbora as the first, as the best among our native fishes for improving the, I mean, bringing dead streams and dying streams back to life. The second species is that tiger barb, that one with that red and black stripes. That's also quite hardy, and it's there in many streams. Though maybe not as hardy as the rasbora, it's somewhat nearby. Then third is, there is one species of bottom dweller called garra. That is also there. I found in the most polluted of streams also they managed to survive. So garra is also one species. And apart from that, snakehead, and then some catfish also are there, which can withstand lot of pollution. So for re-establishing fish life in a spoiled, ruined place, these three species I am recommending. One is garra, and then second is rasbora, and third is that tiger barb. I'm not sure about the botanical name of it. These three species and one or two snakeheads also can be considered.